Okay, welcome back to my channel, and a great and tricky challenge today. We have 2 and inside parentheses we have 2 minus 2 times 2. This is a challenge you've ever seen. A lot of students might be saying, okay mister, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen. Subtraction, multiplication right here, so I can solve this challenge in a few seconds, so that's fantastic. But in the same way, a lot of students solve this question absolutely wrong. A lot of students don't know about order of operation. So let's solve this question. First of all, I want to start with this first interpretation, because a lot of students solve this question like that. Okay, so we have 2, inside parentheses we have 2 minus 2 and times 2. So here's our expression. And a lot of students say, okay, right here we have a subtraction, 2 times 2, which is equal to minus 2, which is equal to 0. Right here we have multiplication, it looks like the 0 inside parentheses. Next we have 2 right here behind these parentheses, so 2 times 0 equal to 0. And a lot of students say that correct answer is 0, option A. And I want to say that in terms of maths, it not works only in terms of maths. It works only in a lot of science and chemistry, biology, and whatever, yeah? So we should know what is the correct order of operation, correct property, correct rule, correct definition. So we can't solve our challenges wherever we want. There are a lot of correct rules, correct properties. And in terms of math, it's really great to know about order of operation, because right here we just solve the challenge wherever we want. We solve the challenge absolutely randomly, which is not good in terms of math. So in this second interpretation, let's solve this challenge according to, for example, PEMDAS order of operation. And this PEMDAS order of operation is right here. So this is our challenge, this is our order of operation. So this PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So the first step, we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Next we should evaluate exponents. Next we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the next step is addition and subtraction group. Okay, so right here we have our order of operation, and right here let's scan what do we have right here, what elements from this PEMDAS we have right here in this challenge. So first of all, I want to see that right here we have parentheses, and parentheses, this is our first step according to this PEMDAS order of operation. So parentheses we have right here. So firstly we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses, but one really interesting moment, inside parentheses we have a complicated expression. We don't have like 2 minus 2 or 2 times 2. We have 2 minus 2 and times 2. So right now we should find what is the first step. So first step obviously is parentheses, but it looks like second step. So second step, we have subtraction right here, we have multiplication right here. And as I told before, higher position, higher priority. So it implies that right here we should find what elements from here has the higher position, so multiplication or subtraction. So obviously multiplication has the higher position than subtraction, so multiplication second step, subtraction third step. So let's do this. Multiplication second step, so we have 2 inside, 2 outside of parentheses, we have 2 minus, and 2 times 2 equal to 4. Okay, and really great. Right now we don't need this order of operation because the pretty basic thing, we want to complete our parentheses at first. So 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2, so we have 2 times minus 2, which gives us minus 4. And this is option D. And a lot of students say, okay, how it happens, option D, right here option A, but what is the correct answer? If you're talking about this first interpretation, this is the worst mistake I ever seen, because right here we start with subtraction, then we continue multiplying both of these, each of these numbers, each of these values, which is really bad thing in terms of math, because subtraction is all the time after multiplication. So subtraction right here after multiplication all the time. Okay, so first multiplication right here, next subtraction inside parentheses, where parentheses has the highest priority, and the last step is multiplication by these 2, because pretty basic multiplication, but by 2 minus 2. Okay, so this is a wrong solution. We should put brackets if you want to solve this question like that. Your question should look like that, with these parentheses right here. So parentheses right here, then parentheses at first with this multiplication. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so the correct answer to this challenge is minus 4, option D. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, a lot of challenges every day, so I hope you will enjoy it. So thank you for your time, see you in the next videos, and have a great day.